Today I'm going to show you how to create an advanced gradient fill for a text background in the Keynote app. First you have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this, since we already have a document. From here we just click on the text box, then we click on fill here, then we click on the toggle list, then we click on advanced gradient fill. And here we will have some more options. Face to the previous one, we can set this thing as well. So as you can see, here is the middle of the gradient. We can move it like this, move these in like this, and then customize it to our liking. We can also reverse it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.